Welcome to our comprehensive OHSA training on incident investigation. This session is designed to equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively investigate workplace incidents. To successfully complete the investigation case study, you'll need several key documents: the Appointment of Incident Investigator Letter, the Investigation Case Study Worksheet, the Casualty Witness Statement Template, and Annexure 1 on Recording and Investigation of Incidents. Let's delve into some essential definitions. An accident refers to an unexpected event causing harm. An incident is an unplanned event that could lead to injury. A hazard is a potential source of harm, and risk is the likelihood of that harm occurring. Understanding the causes of incidents is crucial. Obvious causes are clear and apparent, while obscure causes are hidden and require investigation. The root cause is the fundamental reason behind an incident, often leading to a chain of events. Familiarize yourself with important terminology in occupational health and safety. These terms form the foundation of understanding and managing workplace safety effectively. The history of health and safety is a journey from primitive practices to modern technology-driven solutions. This evolution highlights the growing importance of safety in various industries. Work-related health issues have significant global consequences. In 2015, millions of deaths were attributed to work-related causes, emphasizing the need for effective health and safety measures. Just like a medical practitioner diagnoses a disease, identifying symptoms in management systems can reveal underlying issues. Addressing these symptoms is key to maintaining a safe workplace. Effective management systems involve leadership, compliance with legislation, employee selection, and stakeholder communication. These components ensure a robust safety framework. Documentation, procedures, and project management are vital for maintaining effective management systems. They ensure consistency and readiness in operations. Being prepared for emergencies and managing risks are critical aspects of a management system. This includes regular inspections, contractor management, and thorough reporting. The OHSA plays a crucial role in identifying hazards, establishing safe work systems, and ensuring communication between employees and employers. It forms the backbone of workplace safety. Before an investigation, it's essential to establish a management system, assess risks, and provide necessary training. These steps lay the groundwork for a thorough investigation. Appointing qualified investigators and enforcing policies are critical steps before an investigation. These actions ensure that the investigation is conducted effectively and fairly. During an investigation, activating the response plan and reporting the incident are crucial. These steps help in managing the situation efficiently and gathering necessary information. After an investigation, gathering facts, analyzing data, and determining the root cause are essential. These steps lead to actionable recommendations and improvements. Post-investigation, participating in inquiries and retraining staff are vital. These actions help in implementing changes and preventing future incidents. IRA, or Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment, is a proactive approach to managing workplace hazards. It provides direction and helps predict and prevent potential incidents. Employers are legally required to identify hazards and implement precautionary measures. This ensures a safe working environment and compliance with health and safety regulations. Conducting a HERA is necessary during changes in legislation, after incidents, or when new processes are introduced. It ensures ongoing safety and compliance in the workplace. The hierarchy of control is a systematic approach to managing workplace hazards. It prioritizes methods from most to least effective, starting with removing hazards and ending with personal protective equipment. Removing hazards involves eliminating them entirely, such as leveling walkways to prevent tripping. Replacing involves substituting hazardous elements with safer alternatives, like using wind or solar power instead of coal. Redesigning involves creating barriers or mechanisms to reduce hazard exposure, like installing machine guards. Retraining ensures employees are informed and trained about potential risks and safety procedures. Regulation involves implementing systems to guide safe work practices, such as job descriptions and safe working procedures. These controls help manage and mitigate risks effectively. Supervision ensures that trained individuals enforce safety policies. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is the last line of defense, used when other controls are insufficient to mitigate risks. Common health hazards include diseases from prolonged exposure to harmful substances. These can be inhaled, ingested, absorbed, or result from physical exposure to extreme conditions. Occupational diseases often manifest years after exposure. It's crucial for employers to investigate potential causes and ensure safety measures are in place to prevent such diseases. Health hazards can be biological, chemical, ergonomic, physical, or psychosocial. Each category presents unique risks that need to be managed to ensure workplace safety. Safety hazards vary by environment and include risks like confined spaces, electricity, and machinery. Identifying these hazards is essential for implementing effective safety measures. Safety focuses on preventing accidental harm, while security aims to protect against intentional threats. Both are crucial for a comprehensive risk management strategy. An accident is an event causing harm during employment, while an incident is an unplanned event. Understanding these terms helps in effective incident management and prevention. The Occupational Health and Safety Act, OHSA, is structured with regulations and standards to ensure workplace safety. It provides a legal framework for managing health and safety risks. The OHSA establishes a management system for health and safety, applicable across various sectors. It emphasizes the importance of legislative support for effective safety management. Regulations under the OHSA can be amended by the Minister of Labor. These regulations are crafted by experts to address specific safety concerns in the workplace. The OHSA includes various regulations covering areas like machinery, hazardous substances, and general safety. These regulations are essential for maintaining a safe work environment. Standards like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 provide frameworks for quality and environmental management. These standards help organizations maintain high safety and quality levels. An effective organizational structure is crucial for implementing safety measures. It defines roles and responsibilities, ensuring everyone is aligned with safety objectives. Our organizational structure is designed to support safety initiatives. It clearly outlines the hierarchy and communication flow, facilitating effective safety management. The Health and Safety Committee includes representatives from various roles. It ensures that safety concerns are addressed collaboratively and effectively within the organization. The Health and Safety Committee is responsible for evaluating safety reports, investigating incidents, and making recommendations. Their role is vital in maintaining a safe workplace. Health and safety committees play a crucial role in maintaining workplace safety. They are responsible for handling investigations, addressing employee complaints, managing registers and logbooks, and ensuring follow-up on health and safety issues. Health and safety committees meet regularly to ensure ongoing safety compliance. Meetings are held every 6 months, with additional monthly meetings as needed. Minutes are meticulously recorded, signed, and circulated to all involved to maintain transparency and accountability. Proper archiving of documents and records is essential for compliance and safety. Some records must be kept for up to 40 years, including health and safety reports, copies of the Act, and medical monitoring records, ensuring a comprehensive safety history. Employers are obligated to provide a safe working environment. This includes maintaining systems of work, taking steps to eliminate hazards, and ensuring the safety of machinery and equipment. Employers must also provide necessary training and supervision. Employers must ensure safety in all production processes, from handling to storage. This involves assessing risks and implementing precautionary measures to protect employees from potential hazards associated with their work. Providing adequate training and supervision is a key duty of employers. This ensures that employees are well informed about safety practices and that all work is conducted safely, minimizing risks and promoting a culture of safety. Employers must enforce health and safety measures, ensuring that all work is performed safely. This includes informing employees about their authority and responsibilities and ensuring that safety measures are consistently applied. Employers are required to inform health and safety representatives about any inspections or investigations. This ensures transparency and allows representatives to be actively involved in maintaining workplace safety. Health and safety representatives have vital functions, including evaluating safety measures, identifying hazards, and addressing employee complaints. They play a key role in fostering a safe working environment. Employers must establish health and safety committees in workplaces with multiple safety representatives. These committees are essential for developing and reviewing safety measures, ensuring ongoing protection for employees. Health and safety committees are tasked with discussing workplace incidents. They make recommendations to employers and inspectors, ensuring that all incidents are thoroughly reviewed and addressed to prevent future occurrences. Employers must provide suitable meeting places for health and safety committees. This facilitates effective discussions and ensures that all records are maintained for at least 3 years, supporting ongoing safety efforts. All workplace incidents must be reported to inspectors, especially those resulting in injury or significant risk. This ensures that appropriate measures are taken to address and prevent future incidents. Major incidents, such as dangerous spills or machinery failures, must be reported promptly. This allows for immediate action to mitigate risks and ensure the safety of all employees involved. Employees are protected against victimization for reporting safety concerns. Employers cannot dismiss or penalize employees for complying with safety regulations, ensuring a safe and supportive work environment. Employers must report incidents and diseases to the provincial director within 7 days. This includes providing detailed information about the incident and ensuring that all necessary notifications are made promptly. In the event of an incident, detailed notifications must be sent to the provincial director. This includes information about the injured person and the circumstances of the incident, ensuring a comprehensive response. Medical practitioners must report diseases related to workplace activities within 14 days. This ensures that all health concerns are addressed promptly and that employers are informed of any potential risks. Employers must report risks and emergencies, such as major hazards or pipeline issues, within 48 hours. This ensures that emergency plans are activated quickly to protect employees and minimize potential damage. Near misses must be recorded and investigated to prevent future incidents. Employers are required to keep detailed records, ensuring that all potential hazards are identified and addressed effectively. If you're involved in any incident affecting your health or causing injury, it's crucial to report it to your employer or a designated representative as soon as possible, ideally by the end of your shift. This ensures timely action and support. Employees with open wounds or similar injuries must report them if they work with certain substances. This is vital for ensuring workplace safety and health compliance. In legal proceedings, if a person's age is questioned, it can be proven by an inspector's statement or a certified district surgeon's examination. This ensures clarity and fairness in legal matters. Statements or entries made by employers or users are admissible in legal proceedings unless proven false. This upholds accountability and transparency in workplace practices. Employers are required to keep detailed records of workplace incidents for at least 3 years. This documentation is crucial for ongoing safety assessments and compliance. Employers must document investigation findings and ensure they are reviewed by safety committees. This process helps prevent future incidents and promotes a culture of safety. Engage in group work to complete incident case studies using provided templates and forms. This interactive approach enhances learning and understanding of incident management. In serious incidents, the site must remain undisturbed unless necessary for safety or rescue. This preserves evidence and ensures a thorough investigation can be conducted. Certain incidents, like traffic accidents or those in private homes, have specific reporting exceptions. Understanding these helps in correctly managing different scenarios. Failing to comply with safety regulations can lead to serious penalties. It's essential to adhere to all provisions to maintain a safe and lawful workplace environment. Hindering an inspector's duties or providing false information is a serious offense. Cooperation with inspectors is vital for maintaining workplace safety and compliance. Refusing to attend or testify at an inquiry without valid reason can result in penalties. Participation is crucial for the integrity of the investigation process. Tampering with evidence or safety equipment undermines investigations and safety protocols. It's imperative to maintain integrity and transparency in all safety matters. Reckless behavior that endangers workplace safety can lead to severe penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Responsible conduct is essential for a safe work environment. Employers can face significant penalties for safety violations, especially if they result in injury or death. Ensuring compliance with safety regulations is a critical responsibility. Courts can impose additional penalties for safety violations, including requiring compliance with specific provisions. This reinforces the importance of adhering to safety laws. Non-compliance with safety regulations can lead to fines or imprisonment. It's crucial to follow all guidelines to avoid legal consequences and ensure workplace safety. When an inquiry is initiated, employers must notify all relevant parties. This ensures transparency and allows for proper preparation and participation in the inquiry process. Employers must identify and notify individuals required to attend inquiries. This process ensures that all necessary parties are present for a comprehensive investigation. Inspectors have the authority to investigate workplace incidents thoroughly. Their findings are crucial for determining the need for further legal action and ensuring workplace safety. Upon receiving a report as mentioned, the Attorney General will address it according to the Inquests Act of 1959 or the Criminal Procedure Act of 1977, depending on the situation. Inspectors are protected from civil liability for actions in their reports. The Chief Inspector has the authority to direct an inquiry into incidents related to workplace injuries or deaths. This includes summoning individuals to provide evidence or documents relevant to the inquiry. The laws governing criminal trials in magistrates' courts apply to inquiries, including witness attendance and evidence presentation. However, the presiding inspector can exclude individuals if deemed not in the public interest. The presiding inspector may appoint someone to lead evidence examination. Those with a vested interest in the inquiry, such as injured parties or employers, may participate to the extent allowed by the inspector. Presiding inspector can infer responsibility from evidence and involve trade unions or property owners if they have a stake in the incident. Others may also be involved if they can prove their interest. Inquiries may be adjourned by the presiding inspector if necessary. They can be resumed by the same or another inspector, ensuring continuity in the investigation process. Affidavits and written statements are vital in inquiries, serving as proof of facts. The presiding inspector can subpoena individuals to testify, ensuring thorough examination of the incident. If witness examination is crucial and attendance is difficult, the presiding inspector can appoint someone to take evidence. This ensures that all necessary facts are gathered, even if the witness is outside the Republic. After an inquiry, the presiding inspector compiles a report. If the incident involved serious injury or death, the report is submitted to the Attorney General for further action. Inquiries do not hinder criminal proceedings or arrests. The Attorney General will handle reports according to legal provisions, and inspectors are protected from civil liability for their findings. Joint inquiries by inspectors ensure thorough investigations into deaths not resulting from natural causes, allowing for judicial oversight under the Inquests Act. Obstruction of investigation or inquiry is prohibited, ensuring compliance with orders and truthful responses to inspectors. Advising or encouraging non-compliance with inspector directives is forbidden, maintaining the integrity of inquiries. Reporting incidents serves multiple purposes, including aiding investigations, preserving documentation, and identifying trends to prevent future incidents. The OHSA mandates reporting of certain incidents, creating a comprehensive system to track potential future risks. Training employees to report various incidents promptly is crucial for maintaining workplace safety and compliance. Investigating old incidents can uncover valuable insights and deviations in safety systems, enhancing future prevention strategies. Reliable incident reporting is supported by acknowledging reports, allowing anonymity, and creating accessible reporting systems. Minimizing response time and protecting reporters from victimization are key to effective incident reporting. Zero incidents programs may inadvertently discourage reporting, highlighting the need for balanced incentive systems. The weaknesses of zero incidents programs include branding employees negatively and manipulating reporting criteria. Immediate reporting activates rapid response teams and maintains heightened situational awareness, crucial for effective incident management. Victimization for reporting incidents is unacceptable, and employees should be assured of protection and fair evaluations. Employees may hesitate to report incidents due to fear of negative consequences, emphasizing the need for supportive reporting environments. Legal report forms are essential for compliance with OHSA and CAPA, ensuring proper documentation and archival procedures. Annexure 1 outlines the recording and investigation of incidents, detailing necessary information for thorough documentation. Annexure 1 includes investigation details, actions taken, and remarks by the Health and Safety Committee, ensuring comprehensive incident analysis. Fraudulent reports are defined by intentional misrepresentation of facts, posing risks to individuals and organizations. Indicators of potential fraud include vague details and contradictions, necessitating careful scrutiny of reports. Incidents often arise from a combination of manageable causes, challenging the notion of random chance or fate. Understanding the sequence of events leading to an incident is crucial for prevention, often referred to as the domino effect or causal chain. By eliminating one or more elements, we can prevent the undesired consequences. To determine the cause of an incident, we must consider obvious causes, such as unsafe acts or conditions, and obscure causes, which are underlying reasons. The root causes are critical in the causal chain, and identifying them can prevent a domino-like sequence of events. The causal chain is a collection of root cause factors or system failures that lead to outcomes. The domino sequence shows how one event can trigger a chain reaction, starting with lack of control and leading to consequences or losses. Lack of control is a management system failure. Managers play a vital role in selecting, planning, organizing, leading, controlling, investigating, and mentoring to prevent such failures. Human factors include diverse backgrounds and experiences affecting work, while work factors involve the inherent dangers of certain tasks. Both can influence the likelihood of incidents. Understanding why employees commit errors helps develop effective controls. Errors are unintended actions, while violations are willful. Deviations from procedures. Errors can stem from inadequate training, supervision, or communication, leading to mistakes like activating the wrong switch or flawed decision-making. Violations occur due to insufficient supervision, inadequate planning, or irrelevant rules, leading to problematic implementation and unproductive procedures. Investigations may reveal deliberate violations of laws or procedures. Proving fault requires demonstrating intention or negligence. Crimes require direct or indirect intention. Direct intention involves committing a prohibited act, while indirect intention occurs when consequences are foreseeable but not intended. Dolus eventualis exists when a person doesn't intend harm but foresees possible consequences and proceeds unlawfully. Mistakes can happen when believing actions are right. Motives for violation can include fraudulent claims, political protests, or hiding crimes under occupational injury guise. Unsafe acts are behaviors that can cause harm, often due to negligence or recklessness rather than intentional harm. Unsafe acts can include poor mindset, flawed decision-making, and emotional distractions, leading to incidents. Conduct-related unsafe acts include distractions, misbehavior, and taking shortcuts, increasing incident risk. Handling-related unsafe acts involve improper lifting, loading, and using defective equipment, contributing to incidents. Unsafe acts in position, PPE use, and work permits can lead to incidents if not properly managed. Safety device misuse, failure to secure, and inadequate training are unsafe acts that can lead to incidents. Transport abuse and failure to communicate warnings are unsafe acts that can result in incidents. Unsafe conditions include physical objects, poor engineering, and environmental factors that pose risks and can lead to incidents. Unsafe conditions in the workplace can range from atmospheric issues to inadequate lighting. These conditions pose significant risks and need to be addressed to ensure safety. An incident or event is the activity that occurs when initial unsafe conditions are not managed. It includes various scenarios like crashes, cuts, and exposure, highlighting the importance of proactive safety measures. Incidents can also involve involuntary intoxication, poisoning, and radiation, among others. Recognizing these potential events is crucial for effective risk management and prevention strategies. The consequences of an incident often depend on various factors, including the severity and timing. Understanding these can help in assessing the impact and deciding on preventive measures. Incidents can have severe effects on individuals, leading to absenteeism, disability, and even death. Addressing these impacts is vital for supporting affected individuals and preventing future occurrences. Organizations face consequences like damage, delays, and financial loss due to incidents. These effects can disrupt operations and affect productivity, emphasizing the need for robust safety protocols. Incidents can also affect the environment, impacting air quality, wildlife, and water resources. Addressing these environmental consequences is essential for sustainable development and societal responsibility. The iceberg analogy illustrates the visible and hidden costs of incidents. While visible costs are apparent, hidden costs like overtime and legal fees can be substantial and often uninsured. The iceberg analogy further explains how visible costs are possibly insured, while hidden costs, such as wages and transport, remain uninsured. Recognizing these costs is crucial for comprehensive risk management. Incidents lead to various organizational costs, including absenteeism, medical expenses, and legal fees. These costs highlight the importance of preventive measures and effective incident management. For individuals, incidents can result in costs like healthcare expenses and lost opportunities. Understanding these costs is essential for providing adequate support and improving safety measures. Root cause analysis is a proactive approach to identify and address the underlying causes of incidents. It focuses on understanding the connections between causal factors and the incident to prevent recurrence. RCA involves asking why multiple times to uncover root causes. It helps identify risks, responsible parties, and potential remedies. Ensuring a thorough investigation and effective solutions, RCA uncovers hidden causes and focuses on system failures. It helps troubleshoot weaknesses, establish incident timelines, and determine necessary changes for improved safety and prevention. RCA aids in identifying cost-effective remedies and preventing future incidents. It supports system improvements, enhances decision-making, and fosters a proactive management culture. An example scenario illustrates RCA in action, where multiple why questions are asked to understand system failures and prevent future incidents. This approach ensures a comprehensive investigation. The example continues with further why questions, revealing gaps in risk assessment and emergency preparedness. This highlights the importance of thorough planning and adherence to safety regulations. The RCA example delves deeper into training and procedural shortcomings, emphasizing the need for adequate training and clear communication of safety protocols to prevent incidents. The example concludes with insights into monitoring and emergency preparedness, stressing the importance of regular drills and effective communication to ensure safety and prevent incidents. Additional questions in RCA help determine what went wrong and what should have happened. These questions guide a thorough investigation, ensuring all aspects of safety and risk management are addressed. Root cause analysis, or RCA, employs the fault tree cause and effect diagram as a powerful visual tool to identify and cluster potential causes of problems and their effects. This technique is akin to the fishbone or mind mapping diagrams, providing a structured approach to debugging and analyzing system failures. The fault tree diagram visually represents various elements that contribute to system failures. It includes factors such as plant equipment, procedures, measurements, authority, supervision, and methods, all branching out like a tree to illustrate their interconnectedness. Similar to the fault tree, the fishbone diagram offers another perspective on cause analysis. It categorizes potential causes into branches like methods, procedures, plant equipment, measurements, and more. Resembling the skeletal structure of a fish, mind mapping is a creative approach to problem solving, allowing for the exploration of ideas and solutions. It encourages brainstorming and the visualization of concepts, helping to uncover unique insights and strategies for addressing system failures. Let's delve into a practical example of fault tree analysis. Consider a scenario where a laptop won't boot up. By systematically asking why, we uncover layers of issues, from a dead battery to circuit breaker trips. Revealing the complexity of system failures, management system problems can stem from various human factors, authority issues, and procedural challenges. These include misuse, attitude, commitment, permits, instructions, and standards, all of which can impact the effectiveness of a system. Effective communication and clear procedures are vital for a robust management system. Issues such as awareness, capacity, comprehension, and standards can lead to misunderstandings and inefficiencies, highlighting areas for improvement. Management challenges encompass a wide range of factors, from alarms and buddy systems to maintenance and planning. Addressing these issues requires a comprehensive approach to ensure the smooth operation and safety of systems. Employers have a duty to investigate incidents to understand why their health and safety systems may have failed. Developing and communicating an investigation policy is crucial for fact-finding, not fault-finding, ensuring a thorough understanding of system failure. Investigating incidents is essential for identifying root causes, revealing true situations, preventing recurrence, determining responsibility, fulfilling legal requirements, demonstrating commitment to safety, and improving management systems. The primary purpose of an investigation is to determine why systems failed and to prevent future incidents. It's about finding facts, not assigning blame, ensuring that both employers and employees understand the importance of thorough investigations. Internal investigations can lead to external inquiries, exposing legal or ethical violations. The findings may result in disciplinary actions, emphasizing the need for careful and honest investigation processes to uphold justice and integrity. Employers are required to appoint investigators to handle incidents. This involves selecting qualified individuals, establishing investigation criteria, providing training, and ensuring they are equipped to respond promptly and effectively. Investigators can be employers, appointed individuals, health and safety representatives, committee members, or independent consultants. Their role is crucial in conducting thorough investigations and ensuring system integrity. The OH&S team should prepare portable investigation toolkits, including communication devices and first aid supplies, to ensure readiness and efficiency in handling incidents. Investigation tools include containers for evidence, forms for documentation, and marking materials for scenes. These resources are essential for organizing and conducting thorough investigations. Recording equipment and personal protective gear are vital for investigations. Tools like cameras, recorders, and protective clothing ensure safety and accuracy in documenting incidents. Investigations require various tools, from GPS and compasses to warning signs and cell phone technology. These resources aid in thorough and efficient incident analysis, and response interviews are a key part of investigations, focusing on discovering system failures without assigning blame. Investigators must ask probing questions and document findings accurately to ensure a comprehensive understanding of incidents. Documentation in investigations should include detailed records of experiences, observations, and evidence. Balancing time and effort in gathering information is crucial, respecting the rights of witnesses and ensuring a fair investigation process. In any investigation, managing the interview meeting is crucial. It's important to identify key individuals who can shed light on the incident. This includes not only the casualty, but also colleagues, managers, specialists, and witnesses. By compiling a list of these people and following in-house protocols, you can extend an invitation for them to contribute to the investigation. Preparing for an interview involves several key elements. It's essential to organize the interview properly, including the venue and resources. The interview should be conducted by a team, such as the Health and Safety Committee or HR manager, and records must be created professionally. Understanding the various human temperaments and being aware of cultural nuances are also vital. Commencing the interview requires a welcoming approach. Introduce the investigation team and adopt a non-aggressive manner to put the interviewee at ease. Clearly state the desired objective and outcome, encourage open discussion, and foster trust by demonstrating honesty throughout the process. During question time, focus on the witness and ask both closed and open questions. Allow them to tell their story in their own words. Clarify any vague responses and avoid leading them with your own words. Patience is key, giving them ample time to respond. Responses during the interview should be carefully managed. Probe all available information and evidence, avoid diversions, and interrupt only when necessary. Regularly summarize to gain clarity and be alert to any discrepancies in their answers. Gaining perspective involves getting all sides of the story and obtaining agreement or acknowledgement. Reviewing the interview includes validating their statements, ensuring written statements are signed, and explaining the next steps as you close the interview. Closed-ended questions are straightforward and require simple answers like yes, no, or maybe. They help categorize responses, quantify data, and reveal significant information, maintaining interview momentum and achieving rapid results. Closed questions often start with words like are, can, did, does, and have. It's crucial for the investigator to understand the subject matter to avoid ignorance, which can create a negative frame of mind and inhibit the flow of information. Open questions are exploratory and require thought and explanation, resulting in richer information than closed questions. A balanced use of both can start conversations and encourage deeper thinking, using prompts like what, who, why, and where.
Open questions are a powerful tool in investigations, allowing for effective interviews and complete storytelling. They help delve deeper into conversations, exposing understanding or lack thereof, and provide personal insights. This technique proves commitment, care, and concern, and reveals the extent of system defects, offering rich qualitative data and spontaneous answers. It encourages dialogue and uncovers unique or unexpected facts. While open questions can be incredibly useful, they come with certain drawbacks. If responses are slow, asking open questions can help. However, they lack statistical significance needed for objective conclusions and require extensive time and effort to process the information. Listening is the cornerstone of interpersonal communication, an active process that extracts meaning from both verbal and nonverbal cues. It's essential for understanding and effective interaction. Active listening, when applied skillfully, is invaluable in counseling, interviews, investigations, and conflict resolution. It avoids misunderstandings, builds trust, changes viewpoints and values, and considers the details of what is said. It decreases disciplinary action, enables maturity, enhances outcomes, improves cross-cultural understanding, and involves all the senses. Listening skills vary, including passive listening, which focuses on the overall story, reflective listening, where the listener clarifies understanding by repeating what they heard, and nonverbal listening, which involves observing conduct and body language throughout the interview. Understanding both the message and meaning of what is said is critical. Language, accents, terminology, and misinterpretation can hinder appreciation of what transpired before, during, and after the incident. Effective listening can be obstructed by various distractions and barriers, including attention span, digital devices, disruptive body language, emotions, hunger, fatigue, judgmental attitudes, psychological or physical incapacity, and terminology. Clarity is essential in communication. Avoid adopting a fixed position. Stay open-minded. Both parties should paraphrase each other's words, focusing on the other person. Interaction adds action to the passive process, and probing is necessary to uncover facts. Third-party and hearsay information is acceptable at this stage. Memory retention and recall vary from person to person. Consideration must be given to the perception of logic, chronology, systems, strategy, different meanings to the same statement, physical and mental state of the listener, activities involved, work experience, and ability to extract details. Hearsay testimony is not accepted in a court of law. A hearsay statement is made by a person to an onlooker or listener, not to another party as a statement of fact. As the third party is not available to verify the information, hearsay evidence is normally inadmissible. However, conversational hearsay can direct an investigator to other verifiable information. Concluding an interview effectively is crucial. Don't end abruptly. A brief summary is essential. Take time to recap, review the information gleaned, and check if there's anything more to add. Avoid sharing judgment or procedural conclusions. Inform them of further inquiries and thank them before ending the interview. Statements in investigations serve to record and preserve an accurate account of the incident, determine what happened, and provide essential analysis to prevent similar incidents. They secure evidence for prosecution, prevent witness changes, serve as future reference, avoid misunderstanding, and may be required by legal counsel or insurance companies. When taking statements, assist hearing or visually impaired people, avoid making witnesses feel accused, ensure emotional and mental capability, determine literacy levels, encourage concise facts, ensure comprehension, follow a readable format, interview soon after the incident, and record the story accurately. Statements are not sworn under oath and reflect observations. An affidavit, however, is sworn under oath as a truthful statement. It can implicate employers and employees and must be recorded with witness knowledge and consent. The DOL inspector may take another statement. Selecting witnesses is crucial in investigations. Include casualties, complainants, all involved parties, employer and employee representatives, interpreters, subject matter specialists, supervisors, or managers. Witness statements must include full names, identity, position, organization details, supervisor information, contact details, chronological activities, and more. This ensures a comprehensive account of the incident. Witness statements should also cover work instructions, observations, feelings, equipment used, position, location, assumed causes, recommendations, and evidence. This ensures a true and accurate record. To validate a statement, give the witness an opportunity to review it. It should be signed by both the witness and the interviewer, including the date, time, and place of signing. Conducting an incident case study involves working in groups, completing forms, appointing investigators, using worksheets and templates, interacting with trainers, discussing findings, and evaluating the case study at the end. Conducting investigations involves 9 steps: assembling the team, visiting the scene, gathering information, collecting evidence, taking statements, identifying root causes, making recommendations, completing documentation, and implementing corrective actions. To effectively investigate an incident, assembling a diverse team is crucial. This team should include management appointees, appointed investigators, health and safety committee members, HR professionals, legal advisors, and OHSA professionals. Additionally, first aid responders and approved inspection authorities play vital roles. Specialists from various fields, such as administration, chemistry, construction, and engineering, bring valuable expertise to the table. Visiting the scene requires meticulous control and examination to ensure the integrity of the investigation. This involves treating casualties, securing the scene from spectators, and ensuring safety with barriers and PPE. Coordination by supervisors and health and safety reps is essential. along with the use of collection techniques and preservation of evidence. Basic knowledge of forensic science and methodical evidence collection are key components. Gathering information is a comprehensive process that involves considering various factors that may have contributed to the incident. These include the place, time, role players, activities, authority, arrangements, and assessment. Additionally, consequences, distractions, environment, and incident specifics must be evaluated. Information, records, safety, and other relevant aspects are crucial for a thorough investigation. Reenactment or reconstruction of an incident must be approached with caution to avoid putting anyone at risk. A conclusive HIRA should be conducted to determine feasibility. It's important to note that reenactment should not duplicate the incident or result in additional trauma. In certain cases, VR or interactive simulations may be commissioned, but only when information cannot be obtained by other means. The objective of reenactment or reconstruction is to ensure details are accurately collected and understood. This process helps clarify key facts and timelines, demonstrate what happened, detect system failures, and identify unsafe acts or conditions. It also provides insights, resolves conflicts in witness testimony, and reviews control measures. Participants in the reenactment or reconstruction include the investigation team, casualties, witnesses, and managers. An autonomous health and safety consultant may halt the process if necessary. Engineers analyze injury mechanisms, while medical professionals diagnose injuries and diseases, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the incident. Accurate records are essential for reenactment or reconstruction. These include diagrams, photographs, statements, timelines, and videos. Keeping a record of who made or took them is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the investigation and ensuring all details are accounted for. Collecting evidence and exhibits is a critical step for later examination or incident reconstruction. The DNA Project offers valuable resources and guidelines. When collecting evidence, considerations include handling physical, documentary, or biological exhibits with care to ensure their integrity and usefulness in the investigation. The collection and recovery of evidence require careful attention to detail. Each item or sample must be tagged and numbered, photographed in its original position, and handled with care to avoid damage. Accurate and comprehensive records are essential, including detailed descriptions and availability for investigators. Proper collection ensures the evidence is reliable and useful. Handling and storage of evidence must adhere to required protocols to maintain integrity. This includes sealing, removal, retention, preservation, examination, and transfer records. Evidence needs to be presented by a witness or investigator at the inquiry, with technical reports provided by authorized inspection authorities. Interviewing and taking statements from witnesses are crucial steps in the investigation process. This involves conducting interviews and taking written statements to gather first-hand accounts and insights into the incident. These steps help build a comprehensive understanding of what occurred. Identifying the cause of incidents involves using systematic RCA techniques. This process allows investigators to arrive at logical and informed conclusions by analyzing the root causes and contributing factors. Understanding the cause is essential for preventing future occurrences. Making recommendations is a vital part of OH&S management. The hierarchy of control provides measures to mitigate or eliminate risks, including removal, replacement, regulation, education, supervision, and PPE. These recommendations help prioritize actions to ensure safety and prevent future incidents. Documentation and record-keeping are essential for compliance with regulations and organizational policies. Originals must be handed to the employer and Health and Safety Committee, with copies provided to witnesses if requested. An archive copy must be kept for the statutory period to ensure all records are accessible and preserved. Corrective action plans require attention to recommendations from the Health and Safety Committee. Involving role players and appointing a senior investigation custodian ensures finalization. High-priority actions should be implemented immediately, guided by probability, frequency, and severity, with regular progress reports. Mitigating risks to an acceptable level is crucial, or work must stop. Appraised financial losses should be submitted and casualty and witness counseling forms revised. Updating safe work procedures and training curriculum ensures ongoing safety and preparedness for future incidents. Corrective action plans should follow the SMART format, focusing on specific areas for improvement, measurable progress, attainable goals, relevance to business objectives, and a defined time frame. Communicating the results of the investigation to all involved ensures transparency and accountability.